Quite a turnaround from what we were talking about just 24 hours ago, Scarlett. We had that big sell-off yesterday here. Most of the losses across the board recouped today, particularly for the NASDAQ, which got that and then some. The S&P up 0.7% on the day. The NASDAQ up more than 1.5%. Even the Russell 2000 getting in on the action. And there you have it, the Magnificent Seven, all seven for once. A rare day where all seven moving higher on the day, including a 4% gain for Apple. You got the 2% there as a group here. Other risk assets also getting a bid here on the day, Scarlett, with Bitcoin back at the 70,000 mark and the VIX taking a slight leg lower.
Feels like a little bit of risk on today as we head into earnings season. Let's take a look at some of the day's biggest individual movers. We're going to start with Alpine Immune Sciences, Inc., ticker's ALPN. M&A is front and center right now with the kidney disease drug developer agreeing to be sold to Vertex Pharmaceuticals for almost $5 billion. The per share price was $65 a share in cash, a big premium, of course, to the last close. CarMax tumbled 9%. At one point, it tumbled the most in 1.5 years. And this is after reporting lower than expected profits on what it calls vehicle affordability challenges. Translation, high monthly car payments are keeping potential buyers on the sidelines. They're not ready to commit yet because the financing costs are fairly high. Now, our top story this hour is Morgan Stanley. Shares nosediving on a report that its wealth management arm is in the crosshairs of multiple regulators. According to the Wall Street Journal, SEC and Treasury officials, among others, are investigating how the firm vets its clients, especially those overseas who may be at risk of laundering money through its wealth arm. Why does this matter? Morgan Stanley has steadily built wealth management into its biggest business to help smooth out uneven earnings from investment banking and trading.